I've never had anyone complete the words I say. You told me the one you're with can't make you feel this way. If the shoe fits, wear it. If there's no comparing, this is true love, I swear. And we need to make the choice right now.
Welcome back to my channel, the Nick Diaries. I am Nick and today I am vlogging because I love vlogging and sharing my experience and taking you along on that experience. So before starting with the vlog, don't forget to hit on subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Do follow me on Instagram also. I will link the Instagram ID in the description box so that you are latestly update where I'm traveling, what I'm doing in a day. Today video is one of the experience I want to have, and that is staying at the Leela Goa.
I know this could end in a catastrophe.
I have reached the Leela Goa. Now I will be heading for the check-in and I will be taking you along on the experience and stay at the Leela. First start with the check-in and then I will be giving you the room tour.
But there's no other place I feel I should be. Tonight, 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 tonight.
So here is the welcome drink. This is Lila's special welcome drink and some tea with cookie. I'm done with the check-in and now let's go and do the room tour. But let me tell you, this property is so beautiful and so huge. As soon as you enter, you see the hospitality of the Leela, which Leela is known for. They have so many options in the welcome drink only, क्योंकि मैंने आज तक कभी welcome drink में इतने सारे options नहीं देखे. Alcoholic, non-alcoholic or even tea, coffee. They have a lot of option as a welcome drink also. And as soon as you enter, you will see lagoon and bridges. It's so beautiful property. I'm really excited to check out my room. So first let's go and check out the room tour. This is my room number 510. Let's get inside and see you how the room looks. This is the entrance to the room and let's check out what's on the left hand side. First door of the room, and as soon as you open it, it's a balcony. And as soon as you move ahead in the room, you see two glass doors on both the sides. First, let's check out the right hand side. What is this? So this is cupboard actually, or wardrobe you can say. First, ये है two sections में है cupboard, and first section is having iron, heat mosquito repellent basically, some hangers and torch also, so that if in night you want to go for walk, you have torch or light चली जाए तो उसके लिए. And this is tray. उसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है. Basically एक bag है. I don't know what the purpose is. And some note is here. Dear guest, please place your shoes here if you would like to have them cleaned or polished. So basically this is the thing, and nothing here, empty. On right hand side of this cupboard is two bathrobes, iron board and fire extinguisher and umbrella, and nothing much. So this is the whole view of cupboard. Let's close this. So this is for the cupboard area, and look at the walkway, how big it is. And now let's check out this one. On left hand side is the washroom. So this is the bathtub, and उसके ऊपर है towel rack जहाँ पर कुछ towels है आपके use के लिए. And something more is here. This is scrub and some towel, face towel. And this is the wash basin area. तो इसमें हमारे लिए किट है, soap है, dental kit, soap, shower cap, lotion and more hand towels, and Bisleri water is also there.
I've never had anyone complete the words I say.
Also weighing scale is there so that you can know कि आप गोवा की ट्रिप पे आए तो आप कितना वेट गेन करके जा रहे हो. And on right hand side in the washroom you find cubicle. One is shower cubicle, and this is also very beautiful and huge shower cubicle. And look at the shower, how huge it is. And यहाँ पर भी आपकी basic necessity है shower gel, some conditioner and some shampoo. And next to shower cubicle is your nature's call cubicle. तो ये है हमारा basically bathroom का area. Now let's check out the bedroom area.
You told me the one you're with can make you feel this way.
So this is the bedroom, and look at the beautiful bed. Side tables है bed के, and this is the bed. And the best thing about this bedroom is the ceiling.
If the shoe fits, wear it. If there's no comparing, this is true love.
Exactly in front of bed is entertainment unit and a tea and coffee area. So this is the area. Some fruit platter and a welcome note is also there, where they are telling, dear guests, thank you for choosing to stay with us, and आपके लिए apples भी है, so that if you want to have something as a fruit there is. And look at it, they have given a bouquet as a surprise because it's my birthday month. So they planned for the surprise. Thank you Leela for this beautiful surprise. I really loved it.
And we need to make a choice right now. I know this could end in a catastrophe.
And look at another surprise by the Leela. They have sent us a cake written happy birthday. So basically I'm still in my birthday mood and celebrating my birthday. Do let me know in the comment section, did you like the room tour or not? And if you like the room tour, do hit on the like button.
There's no other place I feel I should be. Tonight, 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 tonight.
This property is really huge property. It's a 75-acre property with 3 lagoons. I was going towards swimming pool and I saw this -30 ice cream parlor. I was tempting and craving for ice cream, so I thought let's order something for myself. So this is the menu of this -30 ice cream parlor, and I have ordered for dark chocolate for myself, and this looks really yummy. I have reached to the swimming pool area, and here is the swimming pool. After relaxing near swimming pool, it's almost 4 o'clock, and the Leela have high tea also, which starts at 4 o'clock till 6:30 time. So let's go and see what all are there in high tea, because high tea is like first time experience for me. Frankly speaking, मैंने अभी तक किसी रेस्टोरेंट में मतलब high teas होती है, but मैंने कभी मेन्यू देखा नहीं है, और I haven't tried also. This is the first time I will be trying high tea here, and it's like, I don't know whether it's in this season or something like this, but the Leela have complimentary high tea for all the residents. The restaurant is next to the swimming pool, which have high tea and breakfast, lunch, dinner buffet. This is the high tea menu: Szechuan spice vegetable wontons. This is tomato olive cheese bruschetta. Tea and coffee served with assorted cookies.
Remember we said with faith we try to let this pass. And no matter how much we avoided, we would still cross paths. If the shoe...
One of the major activity and highlight of the Leela is the golf course, the 15-hole golf course. And let me tell you, it is maintained and decorated so beautifully.
It's wearing. If there's no comparing. This is true love, I swear it. And we need to make a choice right now. We know this could end in a catastrophe.
After exploring the golf course area, now it's time to move ahead. And बड़ा प्यारा सा path है जो कि बिल्कुल coconut tree से covered है. And when you're moving towards beach, you find a proper guided area जहाँ पर placards लगे हुए, boards लगे हुए कि what you can expect in Leela. Let me show you that कि glimpse मिल जाए आपको क्या क्या है the Leela में. So this is the first one where it is mentioned about bicycle route map, that how can you take a track of bicycle. So ये proper red color में जो है ये bicycle map है. It's about room numbers, lagoons. They have total 3 lagoons, if you can see, lagoon 1, lagoon 2 and lagoon 3. They have riverside restaurant also, Leela Lawns, and that's the beach. So exactly right now we are here Leela Lawns because we have to take this route to reach the beach. Next to is the Flora and Fauna at the Leela Goa. Here basically they are mentioning about various birds you can see at the Leela, as well as various type of flowers, and let me tell you, really beautiful flowers. And fruits are also there: mango, ashoka, avla, kokum, jujeba, I don't know what's that, cashew, gulmohar, jamun. And next to Flora and Fauna board, it's unique activities at Leela, a glimpse of it, what all activities happens, like Zumba, spa, and a lot of photography and archery. You can do it here. And then it's about private dining at the Leela Goa. So basically this is like whole information at one spot. So it's really like handful at times when you are not able to know कि आपको क्या करना है resort में. Since it's a very huge property, this comes handy. Even when you are checking in, they give you a paper where they mention about the activities कि क्या क्या activities होती है, and they do give introduction about the property. But about these other information about the bicycle track and other thing, it's here. Now it's time to go to beach. As soon as you exit from golf course area, the path takes you to the beach, and the Leela is known for their private beach in Goa because the Leela is the only property in Goa which whenever you are visiting to Goa or to any beach, you see these kinds of flags posted like this, placed like this. So do you know the significance of these flags? Red is that it is highly dangerous, you should not swim or go near the water. And if it's green, then it's okay signal that you can go and swim. And if it's yellow color flag been there, so it's mean that it is mild danger. You can just be near sea, but don't go inside and swim.